Today, me and my friends are installing the Banks Monster Ram intake. And trust me, it didn't go as planned. What'd you say, Lane?
Luke owes me for this one. Oh, God.
So what does Luke owe you, Lane?
Don't do this if you got the option and you have the means.
Oh, we're going to because we're going to save us some money.
Famous last words.
He's gonna go ahead and start the truck, make sure we ain't got no issues. Go ahead.
Plug.
Gosh! What's up, everybody? Welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna be installing a Monster Ram intake on this big Ram. It's in the garage right now. We got it pulled in. Zay's up on the ladder. Lane's over there trying to show him what's gonna be happening.
There's over 120 instructions.
120 instructions?
We're on 6.
2-hour job, he said.
All right, let's let this time lapse start rolling. As of right now, they've got all the fuel lines disconnected. They're working on the banjo bolt right now. After you guys get the banjo bolt out, what's the next step?
Should take out these bolts right here and then this whole piece should come out, hopefully.
And then we're ready to start putting gaskets back down and everything. Boom. Got that off. Now start kind of piecing this all back together, I believe.
Pretty much.
What's it look like down in there?
Nasty.
Too bad. That's nasty.
It's just black.
Gaskets in pretty good shape. Show us, Master Lane.
Let him show us.
Got a little prize point there where we can.
Hold that for everybody. What that's
Probably is.
What do you need now, boss?
I need the 4 bolts to come out of this.
Okay. Wait, what'd you say, Lane?
So Luke owes me for this one. Oh, God.
So what does Luke owe you, Lane? Yeah, you over here flying. Yeah, it was sending me the way you was flying. I think that's gonna be like the the cover photo.
I think I need that copper
Copper, I'll grab it.
washer.
All right, now Lane is going flying back into action and throwing the rail back in there. Zay left us, and now it's just me and Lane. We spent about 30 minutes looking for a bolt that I dropped. And I got it with my pinky. It was in a very tough spot, so do not drop your bolts. You got anything else to say, Lane?
Don't do this if you got the option and you have the means.
Oh, we're going to because we're going to save us some money, right, Lane?
Yeah. Famous last words.
Famous last words. We're gonna save us some money. I could do it cheaper. Honestly, I know this has been like a little tedious, but when we deleted that truck, now that was rough. Because it was like the first time you ever was diving into it.
Yeah.
I guess since I've done other things since then, it wouldn't be as bad. But I'll update you guys when we get a little bit further. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, Lane is getting ready to try the bolt we've all been waiting for. Back there. I had bolts that would do that.
What happened to those bolts?
Oh no, I had bolts that like would act like that. And then once they got to the main bottom, they would tighten right up and they'd stop.
That's it.
Let's see how much room you got. Get there.
She's tightening down now. That's good.
Alrighty, we got it. Let's get this project back in motion. right now, we're working on getting it back in there. So, shouldn't be too much longer. I don't know if that could have went better either. That right there was perfect. We was holding our breath on that one because we taped this up right here, and
Chasing something.
worked like a charm. Worked like a charm. Move this to the position now. All right, everybody, we just got everything installed, looking great. He's gonna go ahead and start the truck, make sure we ain't got no issues. Go ahead. Ah, gosh, we're gonna have to prime the fuel system. Start again. Let's try it. Okay.
Please God.
Oh, come on.
Fingers crossed for you.
Lord, please let this truck start. Yes! Yes! Gosh, for a minute I was sweating. I was like, oh man, we got to go like bleed some air off the injectors. Oh man. Whew! Man, that had me worried. I'm not gonna lie. Sounding mean as usual. Whew! Alright, let's teach you guys some flicks of this up here. Looking good, everybody. I will say, I'm really glad that it started. Oh man. I was like, oh my gosh, is this gonna start? Shoo, that makes me feel better. All right, he's gonna go absolutely dog it up the road now. Sorry, Luke.